Hi guys, happy Sunday. I have a little bit of just a kind of a, I don't know, show and tell. Now, I'm not sure what to call it. It's just a quick members only video. Thank you guys all so much who have joined my channel. If you're new as a member, I've noticed that you joined, so thank you very much. So I was just gonna show you guys a little sneak peek into, it's a very tiny sneak peek into stuff I make at Christmas or put together. I'm huge on doing, what are they called? Well, like you've seen my journal packs. Well, Christmas, last Christmas, I was only, I bet, 4 months into junk journaling, something like that. I still collected a lot, so I'm a big thrifter. Anyways, I was just gonna show you a sneak peek of kind of some stuff that I do. So these are just, let's see, I don't even remember. So these are, I know I gotta replace this whole thing because it's time. But anyways, these are folios. So let me see, I need to grab something. I need to grab something that can be used as like a tuck because I can't get my fat finger in there. I'm just kidding about the fat, but, okay. Okay, so pocket, then this is a little pocket. This is another pocket, obviously pocket, pocket, pocket. I think, yep, pocket here, and then there's one there, and there. And I stuff these and then sell them. Sometimes I do raffles in my Facebook group, but yeah, they're so much fun to make. So there's one. You guys can make them too, just for fun. So this is just like a little pocket. It's got a pocket here and just here, and that's it. Very simple to make. I can make them show you guys if you're not familiar. I just never want to like offer a way to do something and what's the word? I don't have a word, but assume you don't know how to do it, I guess. Because I don't know everybody's like background and talents. To me, they're very straightforward, but when I was brand new in junk journaling, I wouldn't have understood how to make it either. So there's that. This one's pretty similar. This was just my attempt at upcycling a junk mail envelope. Honestly, I have no clue what's in here. So let's find out. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. So I'm not sure why this stuff's in here, just some decorative paper, some green money and red money. I don't know why this is in here, but it'll go back in here for now. So this one, I don't know what I did. Washi's on here for sure. And, just bits and bobs. Let's see. Here's another folio. Pocket. Oh, yep. I don't have to say, they're all pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a lot of this stuff, I use greeting cards to make the pockets. So that's a greeting card. That's a greeting card. Greeting card. These are vintage from I don't know when. This is just another tuck. The tuck here. And I just put the stamped family on there. These are fun to look back on because I forgot. I haven't looked in these. So pocket. Tons of pockets. More. They look much cuter when they're stuffed. They're not supposed to look amazing, but So this one I think is my favorite. So this is a greeting card, a vintage greeting card. And then, it's got stuff in it. Okay, well. Let's see what's in it. So it looks like there's little bits of ephemera in here. This is the sentiment inside a Christmas card. Oh, I forgot about this, you guys. This is fun. This is a greeting card. And then it must have, gosh, I don't know. I don't know why there's a hole there, but there is. It's obviously planned. And then I stuffed ephemera in it like that. Let me double check I can probably move down just a little bit here. So I collect little like Christmas goodies from all over, Dollar Tree, thrift stores, everywhere. I'm like kind of the queen of like thrifting and finding like random amazing deals. I'm not trying to brag, but I'm known for it. So yeah, just little pieces were in there. These, I guess some of this was in here. Let me see. It looks like I made a tag, a simple tag out of some decorative paper. So that's what I'll be making is some of these. I don't know how many I'll make these, the stuffed folios. Just depends if I start early enough. But I'll definitely be doing packs, whether they're in, you know, packaging or in these. And then this I made last year. Oh man, you guys, I have to admit, everyone missed out on this. I'll have to redo the cover because it got squished, but I think I was gonna sell this for, I have to look, I don't know, like $25 last year. There's no way it's going for only $25, especially when I look through it. So anyways, this is how much is in it. Do you guys want to see what's in it? Well, you can't answer, but it's mangled. It's not sellable anymore, but the stuff inside. So what I had going on, was a little washi tape, and it was holding little like sample pieces of you know, ribbon. These are tinsel. So it did look nice at one point. Now it doesn't. So I'll just show you. This is a gift tag, what was in it. And it's all sorts of stuff. I love this. I got this at Dollar General, I think, a pack of these. I get a bunch of the ephemera kits. I love, you know what I really love? It gets me excited, is the pink, blue, whimsical Christmas colors theme. Like Candyland, that kind of stuff. All right. Let's see. I put tinsel on the tag. That's just from scrap paper. Just kind of, I made little journal cards out of Christmas papers. There's a label. I don't know. There's a, like, what are these? Looks like they're stickers. Dollar General, but I still think it's so cute. I'll show you, well, I'll wait. I don't want to tell you all my stuff early. So, just stuff like this. I'll go a little faster if I can. Looks like a vintage from a book, maybe. Okay, I can't pick it up. My nails are not very long right now. What's this? Oh, some vellum. Some stickers, a quote, or you know, what these things are. Little phrases. Some green texture. Another cute little guy. This Christmas tree. Gosh, you guys, it goes on and on and on. Let's see. Papers. All sorts of little piece of papers. I stamped some mason jars. Those are fun. These are just bits and bobs that I think I printed. You know, digital stuff. I got these on Canva, I think, but digital stuff is not my jam. I'm not knocking anyone that uses digitals, but my eye sees them all as the same. It's not my thing. So I think no matter what kind of home printer you have, I mean, you just never get a crisp, good image, in my opinion. I've never seen someone print printables that look like, you know, out of a book, like a manufactured book. These are just, you know what they are? I don't know, for cupcakes. And some tag pieces. These are tabs, page tabs. Some more stickers. It's all kind of the same stuff, so I'll flip through this quickly. Vintage Christmas cards, some cute papers. Project Life card. This thing was packed. Oh my gosh, I'm not even done. This is from an old magazine. I think I printed that. Cardstock. What is this? Oh, it's a vintage Christmas card. I have a whole box of vintage cards in the basement. Because I had a mega deal at an estate sale. See, this is the kind of whimsical stuff I love. I mean, I wouldn't want my whole journal. Well, maybe if I dedicated one journal, I don't know. So pieces, here's a little house. All right, and then this I made a faux postcard or a stamp, and that's an image from a greeting card. More papers, more papers. Let's see. These are just, you know, what are these? I think they're tags for presents, but I like them. They're cute as a tuck. I love these. They're so fun. No clue what that is. And there's another mason jar. Some bits and bobs. There's a little glove. There's some little vintage pieces. This is a vintage greeting card. I stamped some words. Let's see. Gosh, there's so much in here. Green envelope. I stamped that. Let's see, just some stickers, some paper. You know, little bits and bobs to, oh, I love this. This was from, I don't know, to do a journal or many journals, I don't know. I love Christmas paper, you guys. My living room is not very clean, but well, it never is, so. I could show you my Christmas paper stash, but it might be hard to see. I had 2 boxes full in the living room, so I was starting to get, you know, if I'm gonna make stuff to sell, I have, you know how it is, I have to start early-ish. I can't wait until December, so that's just a little teeny tiny snippet of the stuff that I do for Christmas or make or put together. I don't make all this, of course, obviously, but I would love to show you guys my big old tote that's in the living room, but I don't think so right now. So there's a little sneak peek of some Christmas fun. I'm ready for Christmas. I love Christmas. So let me move this over. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Well, I'm struggling with my camera for a second here. But yeah, so what else is going on, guys? I want to go live and do a members only live chat, but I have no idea what I'm doing. So I might, after I post this video to you guys, I don't know, I might try to do it. It's a technology thing. So the issue is I have my phone that records, so I can't really go live on there, I don't think. I can't see this is the deal. I can't see what my phone is doing when I'm live, if it's set the right way. It's hard to explain the orientation of the video because my phone's right here. It's right here. Then I got my computer, which I was going to use to log in as well to my channel so I could chit chat with you guys. Let me think. I'm like so anxious about trying it out. I can hardly talk about it. It makes me so nervous. All right, anyways, I'm going to post this and I'll fiddle with it. Bye.